Hide and Seek 1, Unit 4, Lessons 1 and 2. My family, my family. G, letter G. G is for giraffe. G is for giraffe. G is for grapes. G is for grapes. Elephant, giraffe. Feather, feather. Butterfly, butterfly. Elephant is big. Elephant is big. Elephant is heavy. Elephant is heavy. Giraffe is big. Giraffe is big. Giraffe is heavy. Giraffe is heavy. Feather is small. Feather is small. Feather is light. Feather is light. Butterfly is small. Butterfly is small. Butterfly is light. Butterfly is light. That's my daddy. That's my daddy. That's my brother. That's my brother. H. H. H is for hot. H is for hot. H is for horse. H is for horse. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for doll. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hot. Family, family. Daddy, daddy. Mommy, mommy. Sister, sister. Brother, brother. Baby, baby. Goodbye.